got back from my 9-to-5 shift at my job at Wall Street. God, work was wild today. Barbara was an absolute hoot. But I guess I'm just happy to sit down and eat a nice home-cooked meal. Honey? Are you home? I don't see any dinner on the table. Honey, I'm pretty exhausted after my 9-to-5 job at Wall Street. I was wondering if maybe you could put dinner on, like a steak?
I don't feel like cooking tonight. Can't you just do it?
But honey, you're a food truck.
So what if I'm a premium food truck from the company Please Louise Cheese?
It means you've got food on deck. You've got food inside your bod that's not intended to be digested.
I can't just summon dinner. I make lunch foods. Gruyere food wraps are lunch food. They're for the construction workers on 78th and 3rd.
I would love lunch.
Would you like breakfast right now?
No, it's dinner.
Then you wouldn't want a Gruyere food wrap. It's a lunch food. Why can't you just make dinner?
Are you kidding? Because I just got back from my 9-to-5 job on Wall Street. My morning is Wall Street. My evening is Wall Street. God, I would kill for some lunch right now.
Would you like a tasty Gruyere food wrap?
Yes.
Tasty Gruyere food wraps every day then.
No, who would want the same food every day?
The Lunch Boys! The Lunch Boys order the same thing. A tasty Gruyere food wrap.
This is dinner. Okay, I don't know what you want me to do.
Adam, I touch 50 men, women, and children every minute from 11:30 to 1 p.m. And you know what they order? A tasty Gruyere food wrap.
I would love a tasty food, Gruyere, whatever. What are you eating for dinner tonight?
Yes, Adam!
Okay.
I'm a truck! The only variation in my diet is whether or not I eat diesel. Why can't you just make dinner? It's not 1945 or 1946 or 1947 or 1948 anymore. Men can cook, and they can do it well.
You don't think I've tried? I'm exhausted after my 9-to-5 job on Wall Street. You know what I do every morning at 9 a.m.? I look at papers. And then after that, I move the papers. And then after that, I make the papers, okay? So I'm sorry if at the end of my 9-to-5 Wall Street job, I don't want to come home and make myself dinner, okay? Can you just make me some fucking snacks?
Adam, they're papers. I'm a food truck. I make food all day.
If I didn't make papers all day, we wouldn't have a roof! You choose to be a food truck!
Adam, I have a car hood. I don't get wet. And you say I choose to be a food truck. How dare you? I have an oven inside me.
That's the excuse you're going to use? That's the excuse? A lot of other trucks could have a fucking oven in them. Okay, you know how much I would love to have an oven in a moving van? I could make pizza for my boys after I've moved. Or how about an RV? How about an RV, huh? With a small little oven in it and a small little bed. Okay? Those are trucks! You choose to be a food truck!
What if I choose to be a food truck, huh? I like the Lunch Boys. Do you see any Lunch Boys in a U-Haul?
Ah! I love you! I love you, okay? I don't know what I want anymore. I just want to come home eat a dinner on my table.
Adam, maybe I can't make you dinner, okay? But there's a stove, a refrigerator, 2 women and a man inside me right now. They're all top chefs that touch food all the time.
What are they gonna do? They just touch food all day.
They can make you a tasty Gruyere food wrap. We'll change it up every day. Sometimes we'll put fish in it, other times, sausage and potatoes. We can even change up the cheese sometimes. Adam, please try it.
Okay.
Here, try it.
Would you look at that? I'm eating food. And it's good.
It's not good, Adam. It's Gruyere.